Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Here is another digital SAT math question given. The function f is defined by f of x equals 7x cubed. In the xy plane, the graph of y equals g of x is the result of shifting the graph of y f of x down 2 units. Which equation defines function g? Choice A, you're given as g of x is equal to 7 over 2 x cubed. B, you're given as g of x equal to 7x to the power of 3 over 2. And the choice C, you're given as 7x cubed plus 2. And the D, on the choice D, we have g of x is equal to 7x cubed minus 2. Okay, in this problem, the College Board, they really like to keep asking these kind of questions related to the topic of functions. First of all, we need to understand the concept of, shifting the function up or down. Okay, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis here. So if you are shifting up of a function, you're supposed to, the value of in here and vertically, you're going to add. Okay, let's say this was the value of 2, then the new function will be, let's say you have shifted up to 5 spaces, this is gonna be 7, right? So when you are shifting up, you add to the function. If you are shifting down, as it was given in this question, you're supposed to take away, because let's say now it's shifting down from 7 to 2, that means 5 step down. So in the f of function, you're gonna write f of x, and minus 5 is gonna give you the value of g of x. Please pay attention to the wording in here. So based on this, the f of x was given as 7x cubed, and the value of the g of x will be, since they said that it's just shifted down 2 units, I am writing the original value of the function f of x. Then I will, since they said down, I'm gonna take away. How many units? You're saying that you're being given as 2. So our answer will be 7x cubed minus 2. So when you look at the choices, this is 7x plus 2. If they would have say in the choice C, it's the risky choice in here. If they would have said that this was shifted up 2 units, you were going to select C. But in this case, the answer will be D, because you just shifted down. Okay. Thank you for watching our video. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Hope to see you around.